Simplify the square root of 75 over 81. First, look for a number that divides both the numerator and denominator. 3 divides both. Dividing both by 3 keeps the fraction equal. Take the square root of the numerator and denominator separately. The numerator is a perfect square. Its root is 5. In the denominator, 27 equals 9 times 3. The root of 9 is 3, so move it outside. The denominator still contains square root 3. Rationalizing removes that root. Square root 3 over itself equals 1. Multiply by this factor. The value stays equal. Multiply across the numerator, then across the denominator. On top, square root 3 remains. On the bottom, square root 3 times itself is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. The simplified exact value is 5 square root 3 over 9.